Camilla is the newest addition to our monotop collection. This is a style favorite for those who love long tresses and our double monofilament 100% hand-tied cap. In this video, we're going to show you how we get the looks on our website and also our lookbook. But first, let's take a look at Camilla's cap design. Camilla features a double monofilament top that allows you to part the hair in any direction. The PU-coated monofilament allows for the use of adhesive if needed. The velvet ear tabs and nape area features bendable wire to contour with adjustable tabs that allow for customizing the circumference. The 100% hand-tied back gives natural movement, which makes this cap the best design for styling. The 100% hand-tied stretch section flexes up and down in sizing, hugging the head for the most comfortable fit. Camilla is a great low-maintenance style ready to wear out of the box. Just use your wide tooth comb to smooth her and you're good to go. To create a new part, use your wide tooth comb. Rub your hands together and hold the part for 15 seconds. The friction of your hands creates warmth, and warmth settles the synthetic fiber in the new direction. Use your other hand to comb and redirect the hair. Camilla is great just as she is, but if you want to change up your style and you love a look like this, here are some easy steps to recreate it at home. Take a section on one side and create a braid. Secure the ends with a small hair tie. Next, take the rest of the back section and gather it towards the front and create another braid. Connect the two braids at the hair ties. Use your fingers to gently loosen and separate each braid to create fullness. Use hairpins to connect the two braids. You can leave some hair out around the face to give softness. Use Piece Out Contour Fiber Creme to add texture and tame any flyaways. Remember, synthetic fiber can get cold crimp, so be sure to remove any styling. Use your HD Smooth Detangler and comb with your wide tooth comb. To view more videos like this one, click on the Get the Look playlist and subscribe to our channel.